Hello guys, good afternoon. How are everyone? I hope everyone is doing very well. Alhamdulillah, we have some good news. This is our client, successful client. This is our client. She got our Emirates ID today from Al Sabil Travel and Tourism. We will ask her what is our feelings. Please share with us your feelings. Say something.
Thank you, Sansabel Travel.
Okay. Guys, only 20 to 25 days we are processing all. Get your Emirates ID from Al Sabil Travel and Tourism. So don't wait and come and visit our office and get your ID very easily and very early. This is our supervisor and see, this is our manager. She is from Riga Metro Station. She is from Riga Station, and she is very tired because she is very excited. See, outside is very hot,
Take my ID.
and she got her ID. So congratulations, Miss Eileen, and thank you so much, Miss.
Thank you so much, Miss Aileen.
Dijen,
Salamat
supervisor.
sa pagtiwala.
Thank you so much for trusting Al Sabil Travel.
বন্ধুরা এটা আমার ক্লায়েন্ট ছিল তো আলহামদুলিল্লাহ আমরা সঠিকভাবে তার আইডি তার হাতে বুঝিয়ে দিতে পেরেছি তো ধন্যবাদ সকলকে সাথে বুঝবো